We are about to go through the various functionalities of Sunu Santé health insurance management platform. First of all, you must know that our software is a web-based software. And to enter the software, you have to type the address. And the address of the software is prod.sunuhealth.com for the live version. That's the live version. Here you have the welcome interface. And for demo or training, you may use the pre-production system. So preprod.enlisunu.com that have the same appearance as the first one. So we are about to go through all the functionalities of the software, whether we are in the Sunu staff workflow or the provider workflow. I will connect as a Sunu staff member to show you all what is concerning Sunu staff. So we log in with our username and password, and here is the interface you have. So we have 4 items in the menu: manage users, manage roles, and Sunu staff workflow. You must know that before to create users, you must first of all create their roles. Understand that every role is attached to privileges, and users are attached to roles. So to create a role, you must first of all enter the name of the role. I can say, for example, claim officer. Okay, put the status active. And for the territory details, whether it's a partner, you are creating an account for a partner, meaning a provider, or a Sunu staff member, you must choose the territory detail. For a Sunu staff member, it will be a regional territory. After choosing the territory, you must choose now the privileges that this kind of role have. What kind of privileges does a claim officer have in the software? It can, for example, manage center users, health users, sorry for the translation, can review claims, can transcribe claims, can review prior authorization, can request claim approval, can request for, I mean, say can approve claim, yes, can approve emergency claims, just for an example. And we save the changes. Now we have created the role claim officer. And for this role to be active, you must remember to check active. It was the first check we make before choosing the various privileges. Now, to create the user, now manage users, add a new user. Okay, here you enter all the details, the first name, I may say for example test, last name user, email user test aerobustest.com for example. So the same test.com. Phone number 123456. For the username, for example, I will put test user 123. And for the password, I will put test user 123456. Test user 123456. Designation, so he's a claim officer. And for this account to be active, you must check it here. The territory details. So if it is not a partner, a provider, you check regional. For a Sunu staff member, we select the country. Here I'm in Togo, so I'll take Togo. And Here we must assign now the user role. If it's a claim officer, we have already created the role of claim officer, so I'll just check the claim officer user role. And if that person particularly has other roles he must play in the software, you can check all the other roles he's supposed to play. And if it's okay, now you save the changes. Okay, I've made a mistake in the password. Test user 123456. Test user 123456. Okay, now the user has been created. Okay, we can check. Um, Test, we can filter, simply filter. So here we have the user, test user 123 from Togo, which has the role of claim officer, and this account is active. If it was an account created for a provider, you may have seen the name of the provider here. So to create account for Sunu staff members or for providers, it's the same thing. Okay, the same process, just in the territory details that you whether choose regional for Sunu staff or partner for provider. So that is the flow for managing users and roles.